In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Zoho CRM and Mailshake to streamline your sales and marketing efforts. This tutorial is designed to help you effortlessly connect these two powerful platforms so that you can enhance your outreach capabilities. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into both your Zoho CRM and Mailshake accounts. For this demonstration, I'm going to assume you're using Chrome, as it's often the preferred browser for its compatibility and speed. Once you're logged into both platforms in separate tabs, let's shift our focus primarily to Zoho CRM, where most of the setup will take place. Once inside Zoho CRM, look towards the upper right corner and click on Setup. This area is jam-packed with options, but we're heading straight to Marketplace. The Marketplace is your gateway to integrating various third-party applications and further extending the functionality of your CRM. It's the place where you can find a plethora of applications that can help boost your productivity and, of course, connect with essential tools like Mailshake. After accessing the marketplace, you will see a search bar prominently displayed. Type in Mailshake, and it should pop up in the search results. Click on this integration and then hit Install. This step is crucial as it begins the process of bridging your CRM data with Mailshake's capabilities. Now, a very important step follows: authorizing the connection. Here, you'll need to provide permission for the integration to access your Mailshake account. This is necessary so that Zoho CRM can exchange information effectively. Just follow the prompts to log into your Mailshake account and confirm access. Remember, maintaining strong passwords and using two-factor authentication are highly recommended to keep your data safe during such integrations. Once the connection is authorized, it's time to configure your syncing options for leads and contacts. You'll often see options that allow you to select which data fields to sync and how frequently syncing should occur. Take your time here to ensure that you're syncing the most relevant and up-to-date information according to your business needs. With these steps completed, you're now equipped to use Mailshake campaigns directly with your Zoho CRM data. This integration means you can now craft and deploy email marketing campaigns using the leads and contacts stored in your Zoho CRM without having to switch back and forth between platforms. It's a huge time saver and ensures that your outreach efforts are both efficient and data-driven. And there you have it, a complete guide to integrating Zoho CRM with Mailshake. This powerful connection will help you manage campaigns more effectively and tap into your customer data like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials.